So for this video, we will draw and color a parrot.
And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere a. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
A parrot is a bird known for its vibrant colors, strong beak, and the ability to mimic sounds, including human speech. They are highly intelligent and social animals, often kept as pets. Parrots belong to the family Psittacidae, and there are various species, including macaws, cockatoos, and budgerigars budgies. Parrots are known for their high intelligence, comparable to that of a 4 or 5-year-old child in some cases. They can learn to perform tricks, solve puzzles, and mimic not just words, but also emotions and tones. Social interaction is crucial for their mental well-being, and they can become bored or depressed if neglected. Parrots have long lifespans compared to other pets. Small species like budgies can live 10-15 years, while larger parrots like African greys, Amazons, and macaws can live 40-60 years or more in captivity. Thank you for watching! Please like and subscribe for more videos.